Heard about it, let me get it on T. And you know I'm holding out for the G63. Especially when the Louis and the VV.
We've got so much packed today. So basically I've got a podcast with Sam. He's one of my clients. He's done 7 figures plus in sales commissions. He's now started his own restaurant. They already have 2 stores within 1 year of operating, and he's managed to get like 500 plus 5-star reviews. His knowledge of customer service and sales is just second to none. I've literally not met anyone as good as Sam. So you guys are gonna get a ton of value from that. And then afterwards we're doing a shoot for my book, which is launching. Things are just so hectic. The time has just flown, especially in June. Oh, one more thing. Stick around at the end for a bonus. We're going to do a little walkthrough of Sam's watch collection. It's absolutely stunning. Enjoy the vlog. Just got Jake on the phone. He's one of my good friends. He also works with me in our co-working space. And I literally just called him because his new faceless YouTube channel just hit 5,000 subscribers. Jake, say hi.
Hey guys, how's it going?
I'm gonna try and get Jake on the podcast. Jake, do you know I put up an Instagram story and I was like, who do you guys want to see next on the podcast? And I put up as one of the options someone who's created a faceless YouTube channel and is making like thousands of dollars. And that one got a lot of votes. I was very surprised.
Yeah, man, it's a fun industry to be in, and it's getting a lot of hype for sure.
Yeah.
Rudy just picked me up. We're heading to the Crown.
What is this guy doing?
From the office.
I swear people in Sydney, they can't drive.
That's true.
Honestly.
They actually can't.
So we've been upgraded this morning to one of the harbour rooms. That's the room we had last time for the first podcast we filmed, and I genuinely wasn't expecting to get that room this time because I just thought like the studio room will do fine. Just my luck happened to get offered an upgrade, so I was like, thank you very much. We'll take that.
That one as well?
Yep.
So this has 3 bags.
Yeah, just the dad sandals on today.
Take me, piece of my, took some time. I'm just reaping what I sow. So for sure, when no roll, that's just for me and my bros.
Yeah, so we'll be in Dubai later this month. One of my friends out in Dubai, he imports all of the Swiss watches into the UAE. So last time we went shopping, he went and bought a Cartier. I think he bought a Frank Mueller bust down. This is all within 60 minutes. So it's a different world out there. We're all coffee addicts, eh?
Oh, wow. Today's roast is pure Arabica.
G6 popped on my hand. I'm no friend. Pay for keys, can't pay for saving me. The back when the windows tint. Yeah, cause they know too much. Yeah, they know too much. Tryna come take on me. And my 40 they paid on me. They ain't even thought this far. This ain't no question.
So Sam's just pulled up. He's the guest for today. And we'll go meet him now in the lobby. Welcome, Sam.
Wow.
This is Max, by the way.
Yes. Max is the genius behind the cameras, is it?
Yes.
Just like for you. You I mean, I'm fucked up. You ain't no place to trust. Just like you talk. Just like we roll. Now we with Bentley trucks. Now there's no saving us. Piece of me, piece of mine. Took some time. I'm just reaping what I saw. So for sure.
And actually this comes, so when you purchase this from Cartier or wherever else you purchase it from, it comes with a stainless steel strap like this, which I absolutely love, right? It gives it a bit more of a robust sort of sporty look. The dial of this I absolutely love. I mean, look at that dark, black to dark green, and it's just, yeah, and then
Gorgeous.
the sapphire here and the crown,
gorgeous watch.
which is just cut beautifully. So
I would say in your collection, this is probably my favorite one.
and that's got rich history too. So I mean, obviously all of these watch brands have, one thing I love about watches is the history of the watch, right? Like for example, the history that JLC has, of course the history that Rolex has, but the history that Cartier has. A lot of people associate Cartier with just fine jewelry and with their bands and stuff like that, but there are some heavy duty watchmakers.
This Rolex here, Tell me about this one. A Submariner.
Yeah,
Right?
Submariner line. This is the Starbucks, which pretty much replaced the Hulk, which is now discontinued. The Hulk was just a bit more of a more sort of vibrant, hulky colored green around the bezel. And then the next model that followed that was this one here, which they now call the Starbucks. The way I see it, really, I don't feel a watch collection is really complete unless you have a Submariner in there. True. I mean, it's probably the most iconic and recognizable watch
Rolex.
in the world. You can wear this to a wedding, or you can wear this 300 meters deep into the ocean, which no one does anyway. All right, this whole dive watch, etc. I've never been diving myself, right?
Or the
I'm too
watch.
scared to get into the ocean with
Yeah.
this, let alone diving.
Let's finish off with the Holy Grail. Your favorite watch, and there's many reasons why this is your favorite watch. We talked about some of the reasons in the podcast. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what goes behind this watch?
In the watch world, people say the holy trinity of the watch world is AP, Patek, Vacheron Constantin, right? That the holy trinity of watchmakers. Me personally, in my maybe biased opinion, I believe A. Lange & Söhne sits above all of them. Right, they're absolute fanatics in Glashütte. Only watchmakers in the world that put the same level of attention to detail in finishing, engraving, all of that to their entry-level watches compared to their absolute high-end watch. Exactly the same level of finishing. No other company does that. But the other thing that's absolutely crazy, almost it's ludicrous, is when they assemble the watch. What do? They completely disassemble it. Part by part, but just to make sure they put it all together again.
Thank you, Sam. So we've just finished filming the podcast with Sam, and if you want to check that out, it should be up on my YouTube within a day or two. The plan for the rest of the day is go out for dinner, get some work done, and then probably just come back and sleep on time. See you guys soon.
She definitely with me. If out the blue, she rockin' CC's. Got a new rollie in the bezel flooded with VVs.
We literally Ubered down the road because it's raining. So Patrice didn't want to walk.
No, it's not stupid. Like it was raining like a lot.
The Uber driver isn't mad, so we're all good. But literally down the road.
Actually, I did it for a purpose. One day, I dropped the ladies literally from here and the signage there because she said she's lazy to walk.
But there you go. Yeah. Just so you guys understand, that is our hotel, and that and this is where we are.
Longer in the car.
Oh my god, it gets worse. So the exit of the hotel is literally right there, where you can see Watches of Switzerland. Right there, that's the exit of the hotel. So bad.
It must be yeah, it must be nice. It must be
Look, dope boy. She say I'm a dope boy, cause I'm potent like a dope boy. She don't know I'm addicted. Thought cheating might fix it. That don't cure no addiction, man. I'm double tapping. Watching your WhatsApping. Creating when you're snapping. I just need your legs rapping. Sex game like the cash. Baby girl, I don't play. We can do that shit 69 or bring your friend for the treyway.
She definitely with me. If out the blue, she rockin' CC's. Got a new rollie and the bezel flooded with VVs. Darling, I'm a dope with dinner in the skies. I spent a coupe on my wrist and a coupe on my bitch, and they comment that it must be nice. On the balcony, see the Eiffel Tower. It must be nice. Champs Elise, Louis V, 5 grand in an hour. It must be nice. Hair on fleek, nails on fleek. Have you ever had a dope boy bring you flowers? It must be nice.
Started with some preying, that turned into likes. Then that turned to a follow. Then that ended in the DM. Then that turned to a WhatsApp. Then that turned to a long chat. Then that turned to let's link up and let's drink up on that cognac. I know that you can guess what's happening next. And you know we end the night with passionate sex. Listening to Jodeci, I love the way she holding me. This is how it's supposed to be. Baby, happy over it.